Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Step into a realm of contemporary sophistication with our modern living room decorating ideas. These ideas are a fusion of style and functionality designed to revamp your living space into harmonious reflection of modern aesthetics. From sleek, minimalist design to bold artistic statements, our curated concepts cater to a diverse range of tastes, incorporate neutral color palettes and clean lines for a serene atmosphere that emphasizes space and light. Experiment with textures and patterns, adding depth to your decor while maintaining the sleekness of a modern design. Innovative furniture arrangements can create cozy corners for relaxation, while technology integration enhances convenience without compromising on aesthetics. Personalize your space with the curated art pieces that inject character into the room, and play with ambient lighting to set the mood for different occasions. Modular furniture and hidden storage solutions optimize space while preserving a clutter-free environment. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.